Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to automatically enter today's date in Excel. First, open your Excel application and select the cell where you want to insert today's date. To automatically insert today's date, type equals today, open parentheses and close parentheses in the cell and press enter. The date updates automatically whenever you open the workbook or recalculate the worksheet. If the date format isn't what you want, right-click the cell, choose Format Cells, and select your preferred date format. Automating date entries can save you time, especially if you're working with dynamic data that changes daily. Excel's Today's function is a simple yet powerful tool for staying up to date with your data entries. And there you have it. That's how you automatically enter today's date in Excel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!